Alright, so today we'll be making this transforming throwing star out of paper. What it really does is it just forms whenever you push it together like that into this 8-sided ninja star, and you just do it whenever you want. And you'll need about 8 pieces of this 3x3 paper, 3 inches by 3 inches. And you can get whatever color you want, but this is really the only thing I have, and I had to cut it myself. And what you'll start by doing is just taking this corner right here and putting it in the bottom right perfectly, and then just making a crease right along there like that, and then you'll unfold it and then do the other corner, top left to bottom right. It's a pretty lengthy process, but it's kind of worth it in the end. Alright, now you have the X in the middle, and once you have the X, you're gonna, actually, I would just emphasize the creases more so it's more visible. There you go. And then you're gonna take this top half and fold it down to the bottom right there, and make sure it's like right on the edge or it's gonna mess up. And you're gonna crease, and then you have your horizontal fold right there. And then you'll fold it, no, not fold, you'll turn it so this middle line is vertical, and you're gonna fold it like you used to make paper airplanes back in the 3rd grade. You'll take this, take the corner, fold it a triangle in the middle, crease, take this corner, fold it down in the middle, you finish there. Then you have this right here, and once you have this, you just close it like you used to when you made those old paper airplanes. And you have something that looks like this. You're gonna turn it upside down so it looks something like that, and you're gonna take this corner and you're gonna push it in along this fold right here, so it ends up looking like a little diamond like that. Once you have this diamond, then you put it off to the side, and you have to make a bunch more, 7 more, so you have 8 of those pieces in total. And I'll be back when I have all 8 pieces. Once you have all your little pieces and sections ready, they should all be roughly the same, with this little forked part at the end and the little folds. So what you're gonna do is take one, and you're gonna open it so the fold is at the top and the opening is at the bottom. And you're gonna take one and configure it so it's facing the same direction, and it's basically the same thing. Alright, you get the forked part at the bottom here. So you're gonna take it and you're gonna turn it so it's basically vertical. You're gonna put it between here, and you're gonna slide it in this little crevice right there, so it's about right, so it fits in perfectly right at that edge. Then you're gonna see right here, there's gonna be these little forked parts that hang over this one right here. And what you're gonna do is take this little part right here, and you're gonna fold it over that, and you're gonna unfold it, and you're gonna take the other wing, and you're also gonna fold it over that little crevice right there. And then it'll like kind of come together like little pincers. And you're gonna open the one that you put inside the crevice. You're gonna open that a little bit, just so you can fit these little triangle pieces in. So you'll get it right here, and you push the triangle pieces in. Yeah, it's a little tedious. Oh, there you go. And now that they're pushed in, you can just push on it and fold them in, and that way it kind of holds it together right there. And you're gonna repeat the process with these until it kind of goes all the way around and forms like the octagon like I showed you at the beginning, like that. And I'll show you how to put it all together at the end and configure it. Alright, so right now you should be about here. If you aren't, you might want to go back and check the other steps, but you should be right here where you have your last piece that you need to set in, and you have this the beginning part hanging off, and then the ending part kind of wedged in between right there. So what you're going to want to do is set this part up right here. You know what you usually do with the other ones. Just do it how you normally would do it. Put it right there.
And then you're going to wedge this one between that one right there. And what that's going to do is, it's going to be a little tricky because there's going to be so many folds of paper, it's going to be very confusing. And you're going to get this right here, and you're going to do what you normally do and fold it over so it creates that little grabbing mechanism. So it holds it all together. And do the other one too. Alright, now, just going to want to put it in the same place that you did the other ones. So this is going to be a little weird because you have to sandwich it between the other one. So, get one right there. That's so hard. Now I got it in there. And there's this last piece right here. And you do the same thing for this one. So it's fitting in right there. Alright, this isn't really weird. Let me get this out.
Alright, I got this one too. And this should be the last fold, and there you go. It should be 100% completely done. You might want to, I don't know, just finish the folds a little bit, but it should be done. There you go. You just push in the sides and all these little points, and it's 100% completely done. Thank you for watching.